Caledonia, Essex, Orange, and Windsor. The National Weather Service in Burlington continues the freezing rain advisory until 7 a.m. Saturday. Locations: the northern Adirondack Mountains of New York and eastern Vermont. Hazard types: freezing rain. Accumulations: less than a quarter of an inch of ice. Timing: rain with patchy areas of freezing rain continues to overspread the advisory area this evening before tapering off overnight. Impacts: difficult travel due to slick road conditions. Winds south 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures: lows around 30. Visibilities: locally below 1 mile in patchy fog tonight. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, your local media, or go to www.weather.gov/Burlington for further updates on this weather situation. Here is freezing rain advisory information for the following areas in Maine: Androscoggin, central and southern Somerset, interior Cumberland, interior Waldo, interior York, Kennebec, Franklin, Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire: Belknap, interior Rockingham, Merrimack, Carroll, Coos, Grafton, Stratford, and Sullivan. The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a freezing rain advisory, which is in effect until 9 a.m. Saturday. Locations: most of New Hampshire and western Maine except coastal locations. Hazard types: freezing rain, with pockets of sleet and snow. Accumulations: up to 1/10 of an inch of glaze. Timing: beginning late this afternoon in New Hampshire, before spreading north and east and lasting through tomorrow morning. Impacts: freezing rain will result in slippery roads and slick walkways. Temperatures in the lower 30s. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ41 broadcasting on the frequency of 162.50 MHz from the Mount Washington Observatory on the summit of Mount Washington in New Hampshire. The current time is 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KZZ41 listening area, a freezing rain advisory has been issued until 9 a.m. Saturday for the following areas in Maine: Androscoggin, interior Cumberland, interior York, Kennebec, northern Franklin, northern Oxford, southern Franklin and southern Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire: Belknap, interior Rockingham, Merrimack, northern Carroll, northern Coos, northern Grafton, southern Carroll, southern Coos, southern Grafton, Stratford, and Sullivan. A freezing rain advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday for the following areas in Vermont, Caledonia, Essex, and Orange. A freezing rain advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday for the following areas in New Hampshire, Cheshire, eastern Hillsborough, and western and central Hillsborough. Here are the 5 p.m. reports from around New England. In New Hampshire, at Concord it was cloudy. The temperature was 35 degrees. The dew point 26, giving a relative humidity of 69%.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It was really long. They kept repeating it. So the storm has started. Now I'm going to show you the radar right now. From New Hampshire, Maine. This is from Massachusetts, or down New Jersey area. It's really coming down in Maine right now, and it's mostly rain in New Hampshire, and then little Vermont over here. Alright guys, thanks for watching.